Hi everyone, Kev from TDN here. Just a quick review, something that's massively overlooked and but very, very simple design. All of us using these for our alcohol, for spraying on the panel to release our taps. We're working on the car. Generally our carts are going to be somewhere else. You put the bottle down and the thing ends up rolling off the roof. So we've had, I've seen guys that have had magnets in the bottle, tape around the edge, all sorts of different things. Another problem is trying to get a bottle that is going to, the seals are going to withstand having alcohol in them, because after a while alcohol or any of the materials we're going to be using will start to erode the seals, and then the bottle no longer works. So enter this little thing here. This is a Willey quick magnetic bottle. So simple, but just a great little design. They've got a pre-built magnet in there, so it's going to ping straight to the side of the panel, so it can go anywhere, side of the car. It's not going to roll away if you knock it. It's not going to fall off and roll down the roof. Before you say, oh, but what about it scratching? This has actually been dipped. So the lower half of this has been dipped, so it has this nice rubber base to it with the magnet actually inside the bottle. You can see it in there. Just coming to the bottom here, we have the magnet inside. That's what makes our connection. But the bottle itself is resistant to the alcohol that we're going to be using. I'd say about 80 ml, maybe about 80 ml volume. You're not going to need a huge amount because you only want a quick dusting on this anyway. But just a simple design, cheap little tool that's just going to save you crawling around on the floor. Or worse still, on an iPad, this rolls off, hits the floor, cracks, and you've lost all your alcohol, and you've lost your dispensing bottle for the rest of the day. So yeah, very simple, but very useful tool.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.